Stop. Oh.
Sleep at like 3:30.
Why? That's so dumb.
I did the same, but like 4:20.
Tsunami ATV rental.
It means the ATVs you can only drive when there's a tsunami.
What? You can ride the tsunami on the 88.8 mile. So on 9/11, my professor was like, "Oh, can anyone tell me like what happened on 9/11?" And this girl who at the moment I did not know, and I had not really had a conversation with, just quietly went boom boom, and I was like,
Northwest Wilson River Highway.
what? Oh my! And it was really funny. And then I told that story to many people, and then eventually they actually met the girl, and they're like, "Oh, you're Boom Boom Girl."
Oh no. Bro, we can open our alarm.
We just steal all the cows.
That's how you start your farm,
How do we
right?
get the cow? We just strap him on like a Christmas tree. Instead of honking, he just moves.
C-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. C-A-M-B-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G.
Where are we? I don't know.
Bruh. Give me that heat.
GC on the track, boy.
And he was never seen or heard from again. He's coming home.
So wet.
I don't like it.
Oops. It's running time, baby. Whoa.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's not easy. And I have a big old backpack. Look at that. What am I gonna do with myself? I'm an idiot. How you guys doing?
I hate you.
What time is it?
Is it ice cream time?
Boy.
How much fun did you guys have snail pacing it down the hill?
I thought it was fun, but also I'm a very cautious person, so I was like, I don't want to break any ankles.
I felt like I was gonna break my ankle a couple
My
times.
knees were kind of giving out, not gonna lie.
Yeah, well that was
Yeah,
me crawling
see, that's
up.
why we didn't do what you did.
What time is it?
I fell down.
Ice cream time.
There's sand in my shoe.
What time is it? Ice cream time. What time is it? Ice cream time. What time is it?
Ice cream time.
I love having participating friends. Piper, we've talked about this. Your kleptomania is becoming a problem.
No, my dad!
I'm gonna get me a waffle cone, and I'm gonna fill that with ice cream. Ice cream cone.
And my dad just like ate his.
Can you make something explode behind us in post-production?
Yeah, 100%.
Great.
Sir, do you have a comment? Sir, do you have anything to share with us? Sir, please, do you have a comment? Any comment? Sir, sir. Whoa. Excuse me while I... Whoa. So what I'm understanding from the situation is that if you need to dump a body, you go to Washington?
Yeah, you do.
Oh.
There's a lot of good back roads for it.
That's fun.
Composting.
That's gay content. Hi, I'm this close to impulse buying a penny board. Not to be controversial, Piper, but literally the only thing good about this movie was Ezra Miller.
I never watched it because I thought it was going to be bad.
It was. This is where our journey comes to an end.
And we didn't get ice.
We were going to die?
I hope this is an entertaining shot.
It is very.